So can you just tell me a little bit about how you learn in this class? What are some things you really like the way the class is set up and how you learn?
Well, personally, I'm more of a visual learner. Like, she's showing us how to give intramuscular injections, or she's showing us how to do nasal gastric tubes. It's better for me to learn it when I see her do it, so it prepares me for the real world.
Yeah, me too. I'm very hands-on, so demonstrations like help more, and it's also gives you like a grasp on what reality is going to be and not just on paper.
If we have to do a calculation for how much we have to inject the medication to a patient, we'll do the injection part physically, but the dosage calculations we'll do on a paper, so it's a good balance. I like both. Yeah.
She knows, obviously, like she's at the highest level of like nursing, so, but she knows that we're students and learning, so she doesn't get like frustrated or like impatient. She really like truly wants you to succeed.
Yeah, we're learning along the way. You know, as you go, you learn. Even if you're experienced in the field, you're still learning.
Yeah,
you know?
exactly.
So if we're practicing, let's say, muscular injections or subcutaneous injections, Colleen will walk around, make sure that you're doing it properly so that you're not making any errors. And if you are, she's going to not be rude about it. She's going to tell us, oh, maybe here's a different way that you can do it to succeed and not possibly hurt someone. Once she thinks that everybody's on the right track, she'll stay with one person. She'll watch them do it, and then she'll go to the next and the next, and then she'll give us more feedback.
And she's always there. She's always there for questions. She'll stay in after class, and during lunchtime, she'll stay in, and she always asks us, if you have any questions, come to me. I'm going to be here. It's not any questions. Don't be shy. There is no stupid question.
I saw that today. I
Yes.
saw walking around that it was okay to make mistakes.
It is.
And
Yeah.
And that's how you learn, right? You're
Yeah.
learning from if you make an error. And not only myself, for instance, everybody else will pay attention too. And then if you notice, people will kind of gather around and they'll look, and she'll show it again so that you know what you're doing. And she's awesome. We walk in and you'll see there's always paperwork to be picked up, and these are like the MAR, where you're going to go over it and you're going to read who your patient is and everything you need to know about your patient, and then she gives us activities to work with. So if she's busy helping another group, you can work on something else.
Yeah, so instead of just sitting there and doing nothing, we always have like a little worksheet to do.
Keeps you busy.
Yeah, exactly. Or we'll have like the checklist, like Lena said. We could always read over that and make sure that we know the steps to do.